Good evening, students. In the last video, we discussed what is Niti Aayog and what is the composition of Niti Aayog. Today, we are going to discuss a very important topic, that is objectives of Niti Aayog. There are many objectives. We try to understand some of the objectives. First objective, to evolve a shared vision of national development priorities and strategies with active involvement of the states. Here very important points should be noted. What should be the national development priority? प्लानिंग कमीशन में भी यही था कि अगर देश को डेवलप करना है, the problem of poverty, unemployment, backwardness of economy, to remove all the problems, we have to achieve higher economic growth. यहाँ भी सेम है कि हमको डेवलपमेंट प्रायोरिटीज और स्ट्रेटजीज डिसाइड करनी है, मगर ये जो विजन है वो शेयर्ड विजन है। मतलब ये विजन देश का नहीं है, सिर्फ ये विजन है सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट एज वेल एज स्टेट गवर्नमेंट विद द एक्टिव इन्वॉल्वमेंट ऑफ द स्टेट। And therefore, in the last video we discussed, there is a regional councils there is all council where all CMs, chief ministers of the all states, as well as lieutenant governors of the union territories are also included in this council. Okay, मतलब they are taking active part in decision making process. Second and very important, to foster cooperative federalism. In the last video we also discussed cooperative federalism. What is cooperative federalism? Cooperative federalism means central government, state governments, local governments, they interact cooperatively and collectively to solve common issues, common problem, rather than deciding separate policies. Okay, so here the basic idea, recognizing the fact that strong states make strong nation. In the last video we discussed what is India. India, that is Bharat, shall be the union of states. आखिर देश क्या है? देश राज्यों का समूह है। और ये फैक्ट हमको याद रखना है कि स्ट्रॉन्ग स्टेट्स मेक स्ट्रॉन्ग नेशन। जब तक स्टेट स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं होंगे तब तक देश स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं होगा। और स्टेट कब स्ट्रॉन्ग होंगे? when there is a cooperative federalism. So this was lacking in planning commission. State had very limited role, while in this Niti Aayog, state has a very active role in decision making process. And we realize the fact that only strong states make strong nation. Third and very important, to develop mechanism to formulate credible plans at the village level. Here very important point should be noted that even today about 68.84% population is living in rural area. About 70% population still depend on rural area. So in this situation we have to make plan to develop villages. भारत गांवों का बना देश है। अगर गांव समृद्ध नहीं होंगे तो स्टेट समृद्ध नहीं होंगे, और स्टेट समृद्ध नहीं होंगे तो देश समृद्ध नहीं होगा। सो वी हैव टू फॉर्मुलेट प्लान्स टू मेक द विलेज स्ट्रॉन्ग. ગાંધીજીએ કહ્યું છે કે ગ્રામ સ્વરાજ્ય જ એ સાચું સ્વરાજ્ય છે. જ્યાં સુધી ગામડાઓ સમૃદ્ધ નહીં થશે, જ્યાં સુધી ગામડાઓ સ્વતંત્ર નહીં થશે, ત્યાં સુધી દેશ સ્વતંત્ર થઈ શકે નહીં. This thing we realize in the current situation of COVID-19. COVID-19 में सबसे ज्यादा अगर किसी को सफर करना पड़ा तो वो है माइग्रेंट लेबरर्स. कौन है ये माइग्रेंट लेबरर? कहां से आते हैं ये माइग्रेंट लेबरर्स? सो ये माइग्रेंट लेबरर्स they are from rural areas. They generally migrate from relatively less developed states like UP, Bihar, Orissa to metro cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Surat, etc. क्यों आते हैं वो अपना सब छोड़ के यहाँ, because they are not able to get gainful employment in their places. So even after 7 decades of planning, economic planning, we are not able to provide gainful employment to the people at village level. अगर हमने उनको अपने ही गांव में अथवा आसपास के विस्तार में उसको एम्प्लॉयमेंट दी होती तो उनको माइग्रेट नहीं करना पड़ता और इतनी सारी समस्या नहीं होती. So you can understand the importance, the significance of the topic, why villages should be developed. We should give them employment opportunities by developing industries like cottage industries, small scale industries where they can get employment. Okay, next topic, to pay special attention to the section of the society that may risk of not deriving adequate from the development progress or development process. One of the important objective of economic planning was development with social justice. Means income inequality minimum होनी चाहिए. Complete income equality is neither possible nor advisable. तो हमको क्या करना है कि हमको अटेंशन देना है किन पर, जिनको डेवलपमेंट प्रोसेस में ज्यादा बेनिफिट नहीं मिला. बिकॉज इफ देयर इज एन इनकम इनइक्वालिटी, obviously many problems arises. So government should try to reduce income inequality. It is said that development, benefits of development must be enjoyed by less privileged section of the society. Because ये कहा गया है कि poverty anywhere is threat to prosperity everywhere. कोई एक जगह की गरीबी सारी जगह की समृद्धि के लिए डेंजरस है, वो थ्रेट है. हम लोग पॉवर्टी रिमूव नहीं करेंगे, अगर हम इनइक्वालिटी पे काम नहीं करेंगे तो इश्यू होगा. अभी हम लोगों ने दिखाया कि वो प्रॉब्लम ऑफ माइग्रेंट लेबर. लास्ट, नेशनल सिक्योरिटी. इन इकोनॉमिक स्ट्रेटजी और इकोनॉमिक पॉलिसी के स्टार्ट वी शुड ऑल्सो एम्फसाइज ऑन नेशनल सिक्योरिटी. And India is not in a position to ignore this point. हमको अच्छे नेबर मिले हैं, एक और पाकिस्तान है, एक और चाइना है, इसलिए हमको नेशनल सिक्योरिटी पर ज्यादा से ज्यादा ध्यान देना पड़ेगा. Of course, it is true that we should make economic policy, we should work on economic strategy, but national security should be given also the main focus. Why? अगर देश सिक्योर नहीं होगा, if there is no national security, we cannot attract foreign direct investment. We cannot win the confidence of our entrepreneurs to develop their firms, develop their industries. So we should also focus on national security. There are also other objectives like development of knowledge, entrepreneurship, etc., intersectoral issues, etc. But for today we discuss this objective, 5 objective. Evolve shared vision of national development priorities with active involvement of state. स्टेट का एक्टिव इन्वॉल्वमेंट रहेगा तभी हम लोग सेकेंड ऑब्जेक्टिव को फुलफिल कर सकते हैं. टू फोस्टर कोऑपरेटिव फेडरलिज्म. देन develop plans at village level. We should also pay special attention to the people which are deprived of getting equal benefit of economic progress. And last, we also must focus on national security. Thank you very much. Thank you for today.